Welcome to Tintin and Queen Day of Vlog! Today's day off. We have quail eggs. Tabiray, bakal mo manting. May resibo ka dyan. We have quail eggs we saw in like an Asian store and we instantly think, Kwek Kwek! So we're gonna make Kwek Kwek for dinner. I'll put it in your screen pag nakita ko na yung resibo. But yeah, looks like this. Not much, but I'm so excited. So I'm already like boiling water. And then we'll make the batter. And then we also have fishball. O, diba? Street food, Filipino street food ang atake. But yeah, what I also miss is like that, was that tempura and the, ano yun, Sarah? Kikiam and tempura. Well, tempura here is different. You know the usual tempura like this? That's their tempura. I want our tempura, the Filipino street food tempura. I want that one, but I can't find anything like that here. But I found fishball. But you know what? I prefer the flat fishball as well, but this is the only available, so whoosh. So yes, there you go. We will make Kwek Kwek. And for the batter, what is this?
Flour.
Flour. Flour.
Powder.
Garlic powder. It's kind of messy in here, but
Onion powder.
Onion powder. I don't know if this is giving angle, but what is this?
Another powder.
Another powder. What else?
Salt.
Salt.
Pepper. Baking powder. Water.
Ilang minutes din?
5 minutes na siguro. Gusto mo more?
So our hot water is boiling now. So we're gonna laga this. Then 5 minutes.
Hindi ba natin napilupit lang?
And of course, peel the egg.
Then, kamilin mo dyan?
Ganito. Ayan. Effective. Punta ko lang. Miss ka basta okay lang. So, make sure your quail egg are well coated ng flour so that the batter will stick. Bumble stock shit. Hindi mo lang gamit. Kaparahin. I-dip lang man ba kag i-lulo dyan? You think? Better? Ang bakal pa ako. Ano? Mura? Fine. So, Tin is still cooking the sauce, the Manong sauce. But we're done frying the Kwek Kwek and the fishball. So, I will try it first without the Manong sauce because I'm so excited to eat this. And look at this, we also have like bamboo sticks. Fishball. Inat. It actually tastes like the flat one, but it's just circle. Let me show you. Kwek kwek. Without the sauce lang muna kasi sauce is on the way pa. Init. Nagoon? So our Manong sauce is ready. But you know what? I'll put this like Manong sauce talaga. Manong sauce that looks like Manong sauce talaga. Okay, taste test first with the fishball. Ooh, init the sauce. So excited. Smells so good. It's mix na sauce. It's the mixed sauce na, so sweet and spicy together. And then Kwek Kwek in Manong sauce. Init. Actually, ang init niya. Look at that. I'm gonna try. Mm. You can make it like street food talaga. Nag-arapas. Ano ito mo?